Impi yaseNcome isichazwe njengenye yezimpi ezaba ngumhlahlandlela weNingizimu Afrika ebuswa ngokwentando yabantu. Kwachitheka igazi kule mpi eyayiphakathi kwamaBhunu noZulu ngonyaka ka-1838.
That both the Zulu and Afrikaner people have come together today to mark this important historical day together.
Le mpi yaphinde yagqugquzela ukusungulwa komkhonto wesizwe ngomhla ka-16 kuDisemba ngonyaka ka-1961 ngenhloso yokulwisana nobandlululo. Umengameli uJacob Zuma uthi usemkhulu umsebenzi nokho okudingeka wenziwe ukwenza ngcono izimpilo zabantu bakuleli.
We will continue to bridge the inequalities and differences in access to quality health care, education, and training, clean water, and adequate sanitation. We'll continue to intensify the fight against poverty, combat crime and drug abuse, champion the interests of women, children, and people with disabilities.
Leli bhloho elivulwe nguhulumeni namhlanje lihlanganisa indawo yokugcinwa kwamagugu aseNcome kanye nendawo yesakhiwo sesikhumbuzo samaBhunu iVoortrekker Monument.
Reconciliation is not an event, it's a process. Things will happen that will disappoint us, and then we'll have to start again. But the courage to continue, that's going to make the difference in the end.
Uhulumeni ufuna ukuba izakhamuzi zakuleli zigubhe usuku lokubuyisana njengesizwe esibumbene.
It is an important exercise for all of us to know who we are, where we come from, and not forget where we come from, but where are we heading to as a nation.